Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get coins in the Arcana. Coins are the main in-game currency, essential for unlocking premium choices and special scenes. While you can purchase them, there are many free ways to accumulate coins. We will explore daily rewards, story progression, and other engaging activities to help you build your coin stash without spending real money. Let's dive into the best strategies for earning coins. Consistent daily engagement is a fantastic way to earn coins. Each day, simply check in with the tarot reading to receive 5 coins. If you log in for 7 consecutive days, you will also earn a free tarot reading. Additionally, you get 1 free spin on the Wheel of Fortune every day, offering opportunities to win more coins or valuable trinkets. Make these quick daily tasks a habit to steadily grow your coin count. In Tug of War, a strong team strategy is paramount. Place your 2 strongest members at the very front and back of the line to anchor the team. Everyone should lean back at a 45-degree angle, distributing their weight effectively. At the start, take 3 synchronized steps backward together. This initial pull can often destabilize the opposing team and give you a significant early advantage. Beyond daily logins and story progression, several other methods can help you earn coins. Engage with the Heart Hunter minigame, where collecting postcard sets can reward you with coins. Keep an eye out for opportunities to watch short advertisement videos, which can provide 15 coins each, though this option appears randomly. You can also sell 10 collected trinkets for 50 coins, offering another way to convert in-game items into valuable currency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.